Genetic modification, GM, has significant implications for farming, as it allows for the creation of crops with specific traits or characteristics that can increase yield, reduce losses due to pests and diseases, and improve nutrition. GM crops are created by inserting new genes into the DNA of plants using biotechnology techniques. The new genes can come from other plants or even from other organisms such as bacteria, and they are selected for their ability to confer a desired trait to the crop. The benefits of genetic modification in farming include pest and disease resistance. GM crops can be engineered to be resistant to pests and diseases, which can significantly reduce crop losses and increase yields. For example, crops such as cotton, corn, and soybeans have been genetically modified to be resistant to certain insects and herbicides. Increased yield. GM crops can be designed to produce higher yields, which can help to feed a growing population. For example, crops such as rice and wheat have been genetically modified to be more productive, providing a potential solution to food shortages in many regions of the world. Improved nutritional value. GM crops can be engineered to contain higher levels of essential nutrients, such as iron and vitamin A. This can help to address nutritional deficiencies that affect millions of people worldwide. Reduced environmental impact. GM crops can be designed to require less water, fertilizer, and pesticides, reducing the environmental impact of farming. Improved crop quality. GM crops can be engineered to have desirable characteristics such as longer shelf life or improved taste. Despite the potential benefits of GM crops, there are also concerns about their impact on the environment and human health. Critics argue that GM crops may have unintended consequences, such as creating resistant pests or leading to the loss of biodiversity. There are also concerns about the potential long-term health effects of consuming GM foods. To address these concerns, many countries have developed regulations governing the use of GM crops in agriculture. These regulations vary widely, with some countries allowing widespread use of GM crops and others imposing strict restrictions or outright bans. In conclusion, genetic modification has the potential to significantly impact farming by providing crops with specific traits that can increase yield, reduce crop losses, and improve nutrition. However, there are also concerns about the potential risks of GM crops, and it is important to carefully consider the environmental and health impacts of this technology.